Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you are going to see this deposit tab in the top right hand corner of the screen on home page. So you need to tap on this deposit tab. Now over here you are going to see a bunch of different options that you can use to deposit your money in Binance. For this video, I'm going to show you the convenient way, that is P2P trading. So you need to tap on P2P trading option and then you will be redirected on this buy page. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply select your payment method. For that, you will have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on payment method. Then you need to tap on add a payment method, and then you just have to select the payment method that best suits you according to your country. Let's say you want to make the payment via your bank, so you will have to tap on bank transfer, and after that you need to provide your bank details like your bank account number, your name in your bank, IFSC code, account type, bank name, etc. So after filling these details, you will have to tap on the confirm button in the bottom, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to link your bank account with Binance. Now once your bank account is linked successfully, you again have to tap on deposit and you again have to tap on P2P trading. Then you will be redirected on this buy page. Now over here you are going to see a bunch of different merchants from whom you can deposit your money in Binance. So you just have to select that particular merchant that are verified on Binance. You can see this yellow check badge right next to their name. It simply means that they are verified on Binance. After that, you just have to tap on the buy button right next to the person's profile to whom you want to purchase USDT. After tapping on buy, you will have to enter the amount that you want to purchase. After that, you need to tap on buy USDT, and after that you just have to follow further on screen instructions and you need to make the payment to this person, and after that you are going to get your money in your Binance account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.